The Rheem Rtex-18 tankless water heater is known for its efficiency, but like any electric tankless unit, it can develop a few common problems over time. The most frequently reported issues include temperature fluctuations, limited hot water when multiple fixtures are used, black residue in the water, and heating element failures. The good news is that many of these problems can be identified and resolved with proper troubleshooting before calling a technician. Start with the basics. Always check the digital display for error codes, since the built-in diagnostics often point directly to the issue. Next, verify the power supply by confirming all required breakers are on and the unit is receiving proper voltage. Then inspect water flow by cleaning the inlet filter and ensuring adequate water pressure. If issues continue, water quality is often the culprit. Black residue usually means sediment buildup or heating element wear, which requires flushing the unit to remove debris. Temperature swings typically happen when the heater's flow limit, about 4.4 GPM under ideal conditions, is exceeded or when incoming water temperature is very cold. Reducing simultaneous hot water use and checking electrical connections usually stabilizes performance. If problems persist, professional service is recommended, especially for internal electrical or heating element issues. Keep in mind the unit includes warranty coverage, so contact support if you suspect a defect.